Hi there, I'm Richard from Boston Bean Coffee Company. Today we're going to be going through my favourite go-to for on the road, the AeroPress. This is a simple recipe, can be used anywhere and doesn't necessarily need to have scales, but you do need to have a good grinder. First step is to preheat the AeroPress just with a little bit of hot water. Have our water temperature set at about 95 degrees because the AeroPress will take out a little bit of the heat. We're really aiming for around about a 92, 93 degrees. We grab a paper filter and rinse it in the hot water. And I just leave that rested on the top. I'm going to weigh 11 grams of coffee. We're going to be using the Commandant grinder set on 12 clicks. Today we're using a really lovely Brazilian microlot from our friends at Southland. 11 grams of coffee. Grind this up. So if you haven't got a Commandant grinder, you just use a reasonably fine ground. So we've got 11 grams of coffee. Filter's ready to go. Tip the water out, pop it on the scales, tear it off. So the first step would be to pour in 30 grams of water for the bloom. Just nice and gently. And I like to give it a little stir, just to make sure the grounds are wet through. Give that about 30 seconds and pour the remaining water into 200 grams. I've got the water temperature set at about 95 degrees because it does cool down quite considerably. The timer's going, so I'm timing this. We're up to a minute now. And there's our 200 mils of water. So we wait now till there's 2 minutes have elapsed. We'll put the paper filter in the holder back on and press it out. And when we do the press, we press it out over about 30 seconds. So the total elapsed time will be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We'll invert this over the vessel and just slowly press the coffee out. The great thing about the AeroPress is you can do this anywhere. Anywhere you can get hot water and you can grind your coffee on demand. Tip it back up. And there we've got a beautiful clear coffee. The aroma is sensational. Cheers.